All you have to do now is act. You already found your mistakes, you made a list of them, and you know what to do next. So please, take actions in your own hands and do not postpone it. Try to fix your mistake one by one. As we said, concentrate only on one thing at a time and leave enough room for you to improve. From hundreds of students, I found that making that session for learning and improving at least once per week is ideal. If you can do it more, great, but do not try to do it like once per month or once per 2 months or even less. It would not make much sense because you need to steadily improve your game, and I am sure you will have many things to work on. If you want to improve even further and you have some spots that you are not able to sort on your own, make sure to get some help. Make sure to get private poker coaching or some video courses. Of course, I do think that video courses are the most efficient and cost-effective way to study poker strategy. And with the right guidance, you will be pretty surprised how quickly you can take your game and improve it to the next level. So if you have any of those questions, make sure to check out my advanced courses on c-betting, playing free bet pots, defending blinds, post-flop, and many other spots that could be troubling you. Check out my site and I'm sure you will be surprised how great results you can have with those. I really hope you like this course, and again, if you did, please rate it and help me spread the word. However, if you do not think it was a 5-star course for you, let me know what I can do to improve it, and maybe I will be able to answer your questions. That is something that I would be more than happy to do. So thanks for watching the video. I really hope you will be implementing all of this in your game, and probably talk to you soon. Bye guys.